Today's tutorial is all about figuring out what supplements you need each day, because it's always going to be changing. So, quick question, who has a supplement cabinet or basket that looks like this? Tons of supplements. Oh, and that's not all. I have all these tinctures and a ton of essential oils that are put away right now. So if you don't know, I'm kind of anti major supplement protocols just because our needs change every day. And it depends on how our body is assimilating them and utilizing them and whether or not they're absorbing and all these things. So I love utilizing technology that tells you what you need, and you can do it every day. In the past, I have used Zyto and Itovi, but the issue with those is that you pay for whatever it is. So like a naturopath I used to go to had Nature's Sunshine. When I had my Zyto and the Itovi, it only did doTERRA essential oils. Then I met AOScan, of course, and we're going through each of these little tabs here. And this next one is supplements and therapies. And in here, you can add all of your supplements. You can categorize them. You can add therapies, like I have the 660 band, which is red light therapy, and I can have it on different areas of the body. I have all of my essential oils, homeopathy. I have a lot of different foods and things as well. So I'll go through real quick each of these buttons here. This one is the specific profile you're on. So I have one, for all of my family, every single client, and what supplements are in their profile. My family all has the same stuff. I do not add supplements to client profiles because it's not a service I offer at this point. The closed book is all of the supplements I personally have added, so I can put these into my clients' profiles if I'd like. And this is all of the AOScan supplements that they have and some of their homeopathy. So that was the ungrouped view. This is grouped by category, so you can see all of the different categories that I have. You can add categories. Then you can see what's in each category. And then whenever you're running scans, you can choose which categories you want to actually scan for. If you click the add button, you can type in anything that you want. So I'm just going to type in liver love. Then you can add it to whatever categories you want. So I'm going to put that one in morning, midday, evening, general, and tinctures, as well as liver support. You can add categories just by clicking that button and typing in the category name and clicking add, and it'll add it to this list. Adding description, I normally add the brand, the supplement name, and then whatever ingredients are in it. You can add in the dose, so we'll put 5, well actually we'll do 1, and then we'll choose dropper, and then you just hit save, and then it saves into your profile. Is this a feature you think you would use? What type of supplements or how many supplements would you have to put into your software?